Hello guys, welcome to the NFS channel. Today I'm going to show how to make a fake message box using only NotePad. This is our basic code. You can type anything in the box message area. And in the title also you can type anything and it will show on the window title, shown as window title. You can replace reference numbers in the PDF in the link in description below as the icon, action and type. But first make sure to save it as your name.vbs extension. It works. Look at the many windows are opening, but our message box is lying on the top. That's the fourth action of the reference. You can develop it as you wish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and give us a like.